Come on, Green. Yeah. Well trained. Go on. Go on. Join your friend. You don't want to join him? Let's down my arm. Go on. Both of you. Both like sitting on my arm. My shoulder. Where are you? Can't see where you are. There we are. You like sitting on my shoulder, isn't it? Stop fighting. Oi. No fighting. Blue, stop it. Put you back in the cage. The reason they like sitting on my shoulder because they perceive it to be a very safe place to sit. That's why. Bad boy, bad boy. Oh, you are a bad boy, aren't you? Bad boy, bad boy. Oh, you are a bad boy, aren't you? Ouch. Stop eating my ear. Blue, you are very naughty. Where you gone? Where you gone over there? Don't do that in my ear. Don't. Too loud. Stop it. It's too loud. You're gonna make me go deaf. Not next to my ear. What's your friend doing? He's eating my t-shirt, ripping it to pieces. Not in my ear, he's giving me a bloody headache. Where's he gone? Where's the boy? There. He's coming for you. You know, he's coming for you. The blue devil. Where is he? Just see. Yeah. What do you want me to do? Yeah, you go to the side. You escape to the other side. He's good though. He's following you. He's going behind my back. Hey, get off my head. He's gonna go on my head and shit on it. Can't go on my head. Why are you pooping on my head? Bad enough you poop on my arms. What are you doing, devil boy? Eh? What are you planning? Do not attack the green budgie. What? You sound like R2D2. Blue budgie sounds like R2D2. Don't nip me. Please don't nip me. R2D2. R2D2? Yeah, go other side. Oh, he's following you. He's following him. Not in my ear, please. Not in my ear. 3R2D2. Go on. R2D2. What's that noise? Outside. Is Mr. Blue? Where are you? Oh, there you are. You're like a reservoir of dogs, Mr. Green and Mr. Blue. This one is tough, Budgie. You're a gangster, Budgie, innit? You're a little gangster. Bullying the green one. But you'd attack pigeons. Tough Budgie. God Budgie. Al Capone. Stop ripping my t-shirt. What are you doing, Mr. Green? Mr. Green? Come on. Mr. Blue and Mr. Green. Hello. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Yes, they're watching you. You're famous. Well, you want to get in the shot as well. Mr. Blue and Mr. Green. I have to change my t-shirt, it probably pooped on it. What do you want? Don't you want to fly? What's he eating? Go sit on the TV. Go on. No. You want to go sit on the TV? Or you want to come back? Come on. Go. 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 Yeah. No fighting. Oh, you back on my arm. I just got ready in your back. What are you coming back for? Scared of Mr. Blue, isn't it? Come here for protection from Mr. Blue. Naughty Budgie. Naughty Budgie. But you want to come here as well now. Budgie. Oh. Come on. You don't want to come? No, you don't then. Oh, you're going to try and fly. Oh, no, you can't fly. Well, a little bit. You can fly though, can't you? You gonna fly? Go on then, your friend's waiting for you. More interested in my t-shirt. Mr. Green. Go on then. Yeah. Yeah, go on, do your pooping everywhere. Come on, Budgies, time to go back into the cage. You had a good 30-40 minutes of freedom. Come on, Green. Green. Come on. Come on then. I'm not going to sit here all day. Alright then. You stay there. Right. Are you going to go in? Or not? Come on then. What? Come on. Yeah, go on. I know you like nibbling on my fingernail. Yeah.